balance of our NXPI butterfly that we have. Okay, this thing is now up to about $1.40 or so. If you remember, we sold half last week at $1.30. Okay, still a little difficult there to put out a stop exit on this one, just because it's a butterfly. You're working with 3 different options. So I have a mental alert and also an alert set here that if the stock starts trading down, especially below like the 105 level, we may look to then put out a stop exit. But right now, so far so good.